inclusion, entrepreneurship, financial access, and decent employment opportunities. Through the Benazir Income Support Program and its Wasila-e-Taaleem initiative, millions of women have gained direct financial support and greater economic security. These programs have not only reduced poverty among vulnerable households, but have also significantly increased school enrollment and retention of girls, helping break cycle of intergenerational poverty. Pakistan has expanded opportunity for women entrepreneurs through dedicated financing facilities under the State Bank of Pakistan Support for Women-led Small and Medium Enterprises and Digital Skills Programs. These initiatives have enabled thousands of women to establish businesses, access financial services, participate in e-commerce, and contribute more actively to the national economy. Increasingly, Pakistani women are emerging as business leaders, innovators, and contributors to economic growth. Economic empowerment must also be accompanied by meaningful participation in decision-making processes. Pakistan has taken important steps to enhance women's representation through reserved seats in elected bodies and measures aimed at increasing women's presence in public institutions. Today, women in Pakistan serve with distinction as parliamentarians, judges, diplomats, entrepreneurs, civil servants, journalists, and leaders across diverse sectors contributing to the national development and governance. Empowerment cannot flourish where violence, discrimination, and increasingly persist. Gender-based violence remains one of the greatest obstacles to women's progress and economic participation. As Chairman Senate, I am proud to share that we have strengthened our legal and institutional framework through laws against workplace harassment, measures addressing domestic violence and harmful traditional practices, and the establishment of women protection centers, helplines, and gender-responsive support services. The launch of the Pakistan Women Parliamentary Leaders portal earlier this year is yet another step towards institutional collaboration, knowledge sharing, and inclusive political participation. Platforms such as these are not technical tools. They are bridges of solidarity. These reforms have augmented women empowerment and enhanced access to justice, encouraged greater reporting of abuse, improved institutional responses, and increased public awareness regarding women's rights and protection. While challenges remain, we can confidently claim that these measures have strengthened confidence among women and created safer spaces for their participation in public and economic life. Ladies and gentlemen,
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।